Hi, Paul here from Sanilid. It's a utility patented consumer safety product that snaps on top of soda cans, juice cans, and energy drink cans. You may go to www.sanilid.com to get a rundown, a more thorough rundown on the product and the way to order it from me. Let's go over how I invented this product. As you know, when you open up a can, there's sharp edges that are exposed, and people can put their lips, especially children, or children can stick their fingers there and they can cut their fingers. Basically, what I invented was a product that is more sanitary, it's very, very safe, and it's fun. And the safe part starts off with the seal funnel that I have here. You can look in here, you can see this seal funnel that goes all the way around. So when it's snapped on, it covers the sharp edge of the open can. Okay, you can see how that goes all the way around. So basically, one is going to open up a can. They're going to line up this seal funnel with the hole and the sharp edge. You're going to snap it down. Right? Look at that. It looks like a baseball cap. It's cool looking. Your bottom of your lip goes right here, so your bottom lip doesn't even touch the can. And as you can see, I'm going to take this flashlight here and I'm going to shine it in this hole. And you can see there's no sharp edge protruding at all because that plastic part is covering it. So when in use, there's no way that a child can cut their lip and or their finger. It's impossible when it's snapped on in the correct way. Okay, now what you see right there, that metal part is the rounded tab. It's right, this is the part that you see. It's not the sharp, dangerous part that I'm protecting you from. Okay, and the reason why I bring up no movable, removable parts, because I don't want anybody taking a little piece off and choking on it. So basically with my product, instead of having that movable, removable part, you can snap it on backwards. Where you lift the tab, you take the Sanilid, and you put it on backwards, and you snap it on. So you're still covering the hole, you're still covering the sharp edge, and it does come off easier with less pressure when it's on backwards because of that safety feature right here, okay? Of the seal funnel that's covering that sharp edge. The older it gets, actually, the more use that you have, it actually snaps on backwards better, okay? Now, when you snap it on the correct way in use, I mean, it's on there good. I mean, I'm holding this, it's no pressure. I can move it around, you know, shake it real good. So when it's in use, it does what it says, and also no movable parts means no chokeable parts. And I'd rather have it come off a little bit easier like that than have a movable part. What I'm trying to explain is the difference in other products. There's some other products on the market like this one here that's made overseas, where basically it comes like this. This is a movable, removable part, and it can become a choking factor. As well, when I'm snapping it on the same can that I use for mine, I'm going to line it up right, okay? You can see the exposed edge. So when in use, you have the exposed edge and you have a movable, removable part. Plus this one's made overseas, and that's all I have to say about that one. There's another product here made in the United States, though, which is good. It's really hard, and you can't even bend it. Like, this is nice and flexible, feels better on the lips, and it comes back to shape. This one's real hard, okay? I do admit, though, taking this movable piece off is a lot harder than the one on the previous example. But if you press real hard here and real hard here, this will pop out. This does have a design patent. Mine has a utility patent, which is harder to get. This one here from overseas doesn't have either. So this again could become a choking factor, and I'm going to use the same can that I used on the other ones, and I'm going to snap it on, and you can see that sharp edge is exposed again. So you have another sharp edge exposed when in use, and a movable, removable part. There's another product out there that is basically a fourth top of a plastic bottle, okay? And it snaps on top, and I admit that I am an adult, so I have longer fingers, but in use you can still have that exposed finger if somebody gets curious, okay? It is not dishwasher safe, and they admit that themselves. There's a lot of liquid that flows around in there, and it's every product has its good things and every product has its bad things. Same with this. Like I showed you, when mine snaps on backwards, sometimes it pops off the can. Not when it's in use, though, on the drinking side. So basically what I wanted to bring down here is that when you go to www.sanilid.com, you're going to get 12 lids. 3 blue, 3 pink, 3 green, 3 red. And basically what's going to happen is it's going to come in a package, and you're going to have this guy again. Again, less packaging, better for the environment. So that's pretty much it, except for, I have another thing. You can actually control the flow of liquid with this guy. So if you want to have the liquid come out faster, you put your upper lip at the 12 o'clock position. The slower you keep on dropping it down all the way to the 6 o'clock position, which you can make it into a sipping action like out of a straw. So again, this section here is to accept the tab and to give it a little more room, so when you do snap it backwards, it gives it that extra room so it can snap on. Okay? And at times, like I said, when it's brand new, it might not snap on backwards. I mean, it does snap on backwards, but it doesn't stay on as tight as it does one in the drinking position. So that's it. It's a sanitary lid. It's made in the United States. 12 of these puppies for $19.95 at www.sanilid.com. You can control the flow of liquid. It has a sealed funnel that protects the sharp edge at all times, right here. It's safe, and that's about it. I hope to have some business with you, and I appreciate your time. Take care.